Hello and welcome into my 200,000 live account with my Forex funds, which you can find link into the description for their challenges. So, as I said, I will be documenting all my trades on this live account. But first things first, I want to explain how do I trade this live account. First things first, you need to make sure that you have your refund back. So my aim for this trading week in the live account was how do I get the payout and how do I get the refund. So I want the small profit and the payout to be on the break even, to have my money back and have the refund back and have the bonuses from my Forex funds, which I think are the best in the market right now, to be on my account. And I have a fresh mind and I now trade without any risk, because now if I lose my funded account, I lose my money, and after the payout I don't lose anything. So I always trade my funded accounts first month as carefully as possible. Also, the profit split in the first month with my Forex funds, or I think any prop firm, is not that good, especially with my Forex funds. It gradually goes higher in the first 3 months from 0.75 to 0.9 in the VIP account, which you can receive around third month, around the fifth payout. So that being said, I've set the target for my account to be around 2-3% to have this payout, to have a meaningful amount of money for me, and also not to overtrade and stopped right before this stopping thing after the profit. I had this in mind for several years when I trading the prop firm, and I always have this in my mind. But recently I've came up to the podcast with one of the owners of the prop firm, and the guy said that majority of their traders that are consistently profitable are making the small profit in the first few days in the payout window, and then they are leaving the account and wait for the payout. So do your profit, leave the account, and wait for the payout. Rinse and repeat all of the things in next month or next weeks. Depends on how often are your profit splits with the prop firm that you are linked to. So that being said, let's go through my trades on the MT4. So the first trade was on the NASDAQ actually. Again, session opened and I saw the opportunity that we have the uptrend, but in the first minute of the session we got this massive drop, and I've started to adding around these lows and the 5-minute Kinjun line. I've took 2-3 positions, then the price started to break the highs again. I've added one more, and basically after this candle I've made this one position to go basically break even, and set those two also break even on this level, those three. So when the price started to consolidating around here, I've put a stop loss profit, and it was around 1% gain for the day. So I thought, okay, either I earn 1% or the price goes up, and I've made this 2-3% mark, which I set for myself. Unfortunately, got stopped out and wait several minutes, and I thought we may actually go up here because we've bounced from the 1-minute Kinjun line, and I was a bit too eager here. I've added one position around 1-minute Kinjun line, then added to a losing position, unfortunately. 2 times here, not so happy about it. And yeah, this type of trading is what I need to get rid of. So I've basically waited to have a break even on this particular trade. So around here it was on a break even, so I closed everything. It turned out that I would have a profit much earlier than I thought, but yeah, it is what it is. I should definitely move away from this type of trading. Like either I close all of this here when we have the bounce up and forget about it, or I closed this one position, don't add those two, and close it in loss when the price comes below the 5-minute Kijun line or below these lows. Yeah, but I struggle a bit with that scenarios, and I need to follow my strategy, and this type of trading is really not beneficial for my account and also for my mind, basically. Yeah, moving next is the DAX the next day. So this is the DAX on the 14th of July. Session starts with a drop. I've waited. We got a downtrend. I added one position, added second one here when I saw that we are retracing from the 5-minute Kijun line. So yeah, I thought as long as we don't break these highs, which we did, but we didn't close above, we are good. Again, I've added some smaller positions and closed them kind of quickly, but when the downtrend develops, I've closed everything around 0.5% profit for that day. So I was 1.5% up for the total for the account. So this was the day after this first trade. Moving on to the third trade, again on the NASDAQ. As you can see, it was the clear price action, and this is the trades that I need and that my strategy is created for. So again, we've got this consolidation on the opening. We have this candle that opens and crashes this consolidation, goes through the roof. So I've started to buy here when this candle closes above these two candles. I've added more, and I started to adding more of the positions. And when the price came through kind of my imaginary target, which is 2.5%, as I said before, I've closed everything, and I called it a month basically. So because there is a 30-day delay to payout between the start of your trading in my forex funds to the payout date. Basically, I've earned this in 2 days, and I'm leaving the account for the rest of the month. I need to fulfill this 10 trading days requirement for the funded account, but I will do it in those micro loads, 0.01. But this is the crucial for prop firm trading. It's to have a payout and have a refund. Once you get a refund, you are basically set up to trade not your money, but the prop firm money. What happens next is not really important. You are trading, you basically have a free money to trade with, and just follow your strategy, do whatever you can, of course, to not lose the account, but you don't have this pressure in your mind that you are trading with your own money. You have demo account basically where you can have a payout from, and that's how you should treat the prop firm account, I think. Yeah, that being said, this is the first episode of the trading live accounts with my forex funds. So as I said, I will leave this account for a month, and if you like this video, leave a like and share it. Leave a comment if you want to. As always, take care. Bye.